Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Bank of America app review to save with what you're using. The Bank of America is a free mobile banking tools that help you manage your money from your smartphone. You can check balance, pay bills, transfer money, deposit checks by taking a photo, and even use a Zelle to send money to a friend. It also includes a built-in virtual assistant called Erica that gives you reminder, transaction alert, and helpful tips. The app is easy to use, support Face ID and fingerprint login for security, and show your credit score for free. Whether you have a checking, savings, or credit card, or a loan with a BOFA, everything is accessible in one place. The Bank of America app is a solid choice if you are already banking with a BOFA and with a secure all-in-one way to manage your finances. It's especially useful for people who like to handle banking tasks without going to a branch, while customer isn't supportive. Always instant the app handle most basic need easily and efficiently, and that's it.